Every hotel loses money every day. Not because rooms are bad, not because pricing is wrong, but because of one room that stays empty tonight. Now here's the part. Most hotels never calculate. If one room sells for 3,000 rupees and it stays empty once a day, that's 3,000 rupees gone. Not refunded, not postponed, gone forever. Now multiply that by 30 days, 90,000 rupees. And most hotels don't lose one room. They lose decisions. Because before a guest calls, they check Google. They compare 3 hotels. They don't read everything. They don't analyze deeply. They feel which hotel looks right. And Google quietly decides which hotels feel trustworthy and which feel risky. Google doesn't promote hotels. It filters them based on activity, based on consistency, based on trust signals. An inactive Google profile doesn't get alerts. It doesn't get warnings. It simply gets skipped. That's where the real loss happens. Not loudly, not visibly, but daily. Our role is simple. We protect how your hotel appears at the exact moment a guest decides. We monitor your Google profile, remove signals that reduce confidence, and maintain the trust signals Google looks for. So when a guest compares, your hotel doesn't lose the decision before the call even happens. Hotel Revenue Partner is built by Del Mum Productions, a team working closely with hotels to protect revenue at the source. This is not marketing. This is making sure your hotel is not silently filtered out by Google, because one empty room tonight is revenue lost forever. And Google usually decides that before you even know it happened.